How's it going, everyone? Rajai here, and I have my superstar, Jane Bolin. We're excited about the launch, and we've had some glitches with the website, as we probably have all experienced, and just kind of wanted to talk about some of the issues that might have come up or might come up as you try to order your Healy. Um, so this actually happened to me yesterday. I tried to get on my shop. It took me a while, but by the time I actually got my shop into my shop and ordered, I did get a confirmation email, and I thought I had completely ordered. So this morning I went to check my order status, which you can do that right from your back office, and I highly recommend that everyone who thinks they've ordered to double check this. So go in your back office, in your dashboard, go down to where it says My Order History, click on My Orders. And what you want to see is you want to look for the status here. You want to make sure it says processing and not failed. So this morning when I checked mine, I had failed. So I went to my email because I thought I received an email, which I did. Now the email is a confirmation of order email, but it wasn't a confirmation of payment email. So you could have two emails. So after I got my text this morning from my bank about the fraud alert, because a lot of banks are actually implementing that, especially now, um, I said yes, I authorized that payment. And then after I did that, then I went back to my email. You have to go to this little pay now link. You click on it, and that will take you back to your order to finish the processing. And then you'll have to enter your information again in terms of your card information. Also, um, above this screen, above this portion of the cart, make sure you double check your bill to info, and this has also come up where the state is missing. So it'll have your name, your address, your city, your zip code, but no state. So if that does occur, or if you don't see your state there, then right below there's a little update button that you can update your bill to info. Once you've done that, then you can come back in and actually it'll let you process the order. Um, Another place that you want to maybe, anyone that you may have signed up, if you want to keep track um, of where they're at and to see if maybe say someone tells you, hey, Energetically Unified said, I ordered, or I think I placed an order, but you come to your organization, you click on this little organization screen and you scroll to the right. If it shows member here, that means the order didn't go through if they're saying they already ordered. So this person here actually ordered a Healy resonance, and you can see that that's they have been upgraded to that package. So that's a good way to track that. Am I missing anything, Jane?
Yeah, I want to go back. If you could go back to that confirmation email.
Yep, right here.
Okay. So when I ordered, I got a confirmation email and I also got a payment received email. Now I just put an order in under my daughter's account, and I called her and I said, hey, did you get an email confirmation? She goes, yes. So I thought she ordered. And then I went in to check under the orders and it said failed, where can we see that a minute?
Yep.
Yeah, it said failed. So I'm like, oh gosh, it didn't go through. So I told her I wanted to see the email. She sent it to me. So if we can see that email again. And hers had a pay now on it right there. Now I went and looked at my email. When mine went through, my confirmation email did not have that, and mine went through. So if you have a confirmation email and it has that little pay now, that means it did not go through and you'll have to go through the process. I hope that's kind of clear. And then only other thing I want to say is when you're doing this, when you're in your shopping cart, just make sure it's you that signed in. It will be up in the upper right hand corner, and it will show your name, right? Kind of where Raj is pointing, okay? So make sure it's you that it shows your name right there, so you know it's you that you're ordering for. So just those things. And then as always, we're in this together and we want to help you. So reach out. We'll walk you through if we have to. Expect some glitches. We'll keep you informed as much as possible that we know what's going on. And we're just so excited. This is so fun. So even though there's glitches, it's okay. We're going to get through this.
Absolutely. Well, you know what? Bumps in the road, but we're on an adventure that is going to be fun, and I think really prosperous for all of us. And I'm really excited about where we're going. So
Great, me too. Okay, so remember, if you do have something come up and you're not sure of it, just reach out to your upline, reach out to somebody. I'm available, Raj is available. Reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you.